Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming what you have, keyed, privacy, or passage knob, because the internals differ. Once done, grab a flat screwdriver, Phillips, a 1/4-inch hex key if present, and a flashlight. Make sure to work with the door open to relieve tension. First actionable step, locate the small slot or set screw on the knob rim or base. Use the flashlight, then insert the appropriate tool and apply steady inward pressure while turning. This releases the knob, so you can pull it off. With the knob off, your next priority is the collar and latch. Remove the rosette or faceplate screws, keep them organized in order. Once the face is free, use a flat screwdriver to retract the latch and slide out the spindle. You may need to wiggle while pulling the knob halves apart. Take note of spring orientation and any worn tabs because those will affect reassembly. If a retaining clip or hidden screw holds the latch, use the 1/4-inch hex to free it before extracting the mechanism. Finish by reversing the steps. Insert the latch, align the spindle, fit the knob halves, and loosely thread screws to test operation before fully tightening. Make sure the latch retracts smoothly and the strike plate lines up with the door frame. Adjust the strike if necessary. If the knob binds, immediately recheck spring orientation and replace any bent or worn parts. Troubleshooting tip: if the knob won't come off, look for a hidden set screw under the collar or in a slot. Pressing inward while loosening often releases a stubborn retaining screw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.